Hello, chicken boy all day. Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be checking out the new construction bonus update. Let me just fix something. Alright, let's get right into it. I don't know what's gonna happen. I think construction site will be in a new map. Beefaroonie Beefton. First, I gotta log in. Do my login, bro. Trigger notebook. Bounce, blah, blah, blah. Do those later. First, map. Oh, it's behind Prop Town. Where did Prop Mall go? Oh my god. Where did Prop Mall go, man? What happened to Prop Mall? I was right! I was right! Look at all those ducks! Look at all those ducks. There's barely any of them.
Look at all those chickens!
Alright. Is there a new item? Zone copier? Alright, I have to check that out later, but like, what is going on? Bro, this is crazy. Oh, the music stuff here. What's coin? Yo, this map is sick. Oh, I played a lot of construction site in Tap Tag, so not really surprised. Not really like whatever. It's just like whatever. Ooh, what's this over here? Aqua toilet. Right. Alright, aqua toilet cup. Oh. What is this? And what does it have to... oh. It's like... hold on. Where's paint not allowed, bro? Anyway. Watch out! Watch out! Remember? Oh. Yeah, they changed it. Look, they changed it. So people won't get confused. It's, well, people, that used to be like void paint, so now people won't get confused. Whee! I heard somebody said that there's something new in snowy biome, so let me go check that out. Alright, we are in the snowy biome. What is new here? A chainsaw? A Chinese saw? don't care. I'm buying it. Wait, what did that say? Did it say it works in creative mode? I need to check that out, bro.
Amarillo, 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 plátano.
Let me see this, bro. I am sorry. Ryan, I am sorry because I'm gonna demolish this, bro. Frick. Alright, I'll try it later. Alright, let me see this, bro. Where's the spikes in? Alright. Oh my. If you know, you know. This is a very bad idea, Yeeps. Like, it can destroy creative mode blocks, right? Well, it can't be thrown everywhere. Yeeps, there are griefers and grappler bagger. Okay. But like Yeeps, there are griefers everywhere. So I don't recommend. So this is a very bad idea. So yeah, I don't. Whatever. Zone copier. Wait, what is that? What is this? What is this? Wait, what? Oh my, that's really cool. Now, if you grab it up, it shows you which one outputs and which is the input. Now, what is this? Voting? Yes. Z. Blah, blah, blah. Alright. Oh, it's voting. I think you know what to do. So, I don't know. I'm gonna check out this thing. How does it like? Oh. So what does it do? I increase it by that much. I am very confused. So yeah, I am very confused right now. Oh, it creates like the smoke bomb effect. Y'all know the smoke bomb effect? It creates something like that. That's cool. That's actually really cool. I do not know what this thing is. Don't tell me. I don't know. Okay. Well. So Yeeps, can you imagine this effect? I forgot to tell you something. We actually have a very special guest today. His name is Ben.
Hooray!
Yay! Oh, this is a good dog. Alright, Ben will be joining us for today. Anyway. Wow, this is an amazing sky base. I definitely did not create in 30 seconds. What are you doing? Phew, Phew, he fell. Oh. Phew, he fell. Why am I floating? I'm back. Uh-oh. So yeah, Yeeps. Mind that there's a lot of griefers in creative mode. And a lot of griefers in general, so yeah. He's still floating there. Anyway. This is actually really good. Really nice update. I don't know what this does. Maybe something like this one. But like this, I think I think I'm a Rainbow already made a video about it. I don't know. On redstoning, so I don't really know. But make sure to like and subscribe. Do not vote this, vote this. Yeah. Anyway, make sure to like and subscribe. I think that's everything. No, it is not. No, it is not. No, it is not. No, it isn't. Butt coin time. Why the? How the? Butt coinians time. Butt coinians. Before I do so, I must find all the Bitcoin stashes. And I might need to search up YouTube for this, so stay with me. Guys, I have found all the Bitcoin stashes. I needed help, so I searched up YouTube. Anyway, we should. First one's right here. Boop. Second one there. So Yeeps, why are you still keeping that? Please tell me why. I don't like that. No, I don't like that thing. Please remove it. Third one. Third one took a long time, but it's in here. It's like in here. Trust me. I claimed it already. Fourth one here. Right in there. And then fifth one is in this trash bin. Down here. Here. Alright. Thank you for watching. I hope everybody, and I mean everybody, don't give me that frown on your face. Everybody enjoy this update. It is amazing, bro. The chainsaw. It is amazing. I definitely will not grieve anybody. I definitely will not grieve any builds in this update. I'm just kidding. Anyway, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.